Good evening, respected principal, teachers, dear parents, and my fellow students. A warm welcome to one and all present here today. It is with immense pleasure and pride that I stand before you as the host for today's annual day celebration. This is a momentous occasion where we come together to celebrate not just the academic achievements of our students but also their creativity, talent, and hard work in various fields. I would like to take this opportunity to express our deepest gratitude to our principal, who continues to guide and inspire us with wisdom and dedication. A big thank you to all the teachers who go beyond the call of duty to shape our future, and to our parents for their constant love and support. This year, our annual day promises to be a celebration like no other, packed with spectacular performances, thrilling displays, and unforgettable moments. From foot-tapping dances to inspiring speeches, every presentation tonight has been carefully curated to showcase the immense talent that resides within our school. I encourage everyone to show their full support and applause to participants who have put in endless hours of practice to make this event a grand success. Let us make their efforts count with our cheers and encouragement. To kick things off, we have a special performance lined up. Let's sit back and enjoy as the students present a stunning dance performance that blends tradition with modernity. So without ado, let the celebrations begin. What an incredible performance that was! The energy, the grace, and the enthusiasm were truly contagious. Thank you, dancers, for this wonderful treat. And now, let's move on the next segment where our budding artists are ready to captivate us with a musical performance. Prepare to be as we draw near the end of this beautiful evening. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to every involved in making today a memorable success. It has been a privilege to host this event and witness the talents of each student shine brightly. On behalf of everyone here, I thank our respected principal, the teachers, parents, and students for contributing to this spectacular day. Let's continue to inspire each other and aim for greater heights in the coming year. May this annual day be a reminder of the incredible journey we have had and the bright future that lies ahead. Thank you and have a wonderful evening ahead.